Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Do you guys have had these Exide batteries from the Home Depot? Definitely leave a comment in the comment section of whether these are really good batteries or not. They're kind of expensive, to be honest with you. I don't normally buy batteries outside of what I get from Walmart. They have great batteries. I've had experience with Walmart batteries for the last, I don't know, for a while, more than 10 years, and they've been pretty awesome. You can get one for $60, and they got all sorts of different types and stuff like that. But I've seen these batteries that are going for $129, $149, and a lot of the times the price is in the warranty, but these are 1 year warranty. Now I'm not quite sure if this is specifically for, well, this is a 12-month warranty, but you can get a battery with twice. Walmart has these big batteries for 60, starting $60. To be honest with you, me personally, if I was to pick out a battery, I don't think I would go into the Home Depot. I'm probably only in an emergency situation where my battery's 100% dead, but I probably just get a Uber and take it to Walmart to pick up a battery. To be honest with you, this kind of battery that sells for $169 would be around I don't know, I think the cheapest, they probably have it at $100 or something like that at Walmart. But I was always curious about whether these batteries are decent or not. I don't really think they're any more different than the batteries you get at Walmart or AutoZone or any of those other places that sell ridiculously expensive batteries. To be honest with you, I read somewhere that there's only around 3 major battery manufacturers, and a lot of this is just branding. They just put the tag on it, and the difference in price is essentially with the warranty. But I've actually never had one of these batteries before. If you guys had, I'm sure they sell a ton of this. This is the Home Depot. I'm sure they sell a ton of these batteries. But if you guys have ever had one of these batteries and you guys want to vouch for it or have any kind of had issues with them and just want to leave a comment section of whether these are decent batteries or not. Regardless, I don't think I would actually pay $129 for one of these batteries when I could actually get one for $60 at Walmart, and that's 100% honest with that. I don't think there's a huge difference. But by the way, Sprinter, I think these brands, Sprinter, Nautilus, I think these brands are essentially specific to Home Depot. I've actually never seen these brands anywhere outside the Home Depot. But if you guys have any comments, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Guys, take care.